Hey guys, what's up? This is Only the Truth with you all tonight. This evening we're going to be going over a real interesting case out of Lake Charles, Louisiana. It happened on March 31st, 2021. I'll put all the case details down in the description of this video. So, according to the witness, he was talking on the phone outside when he noticed this strange light. It was making some really crazy maneuvers, so that's when he hung up the phone and started to record this object. I mean, I would have done that too. I mean, what we're seeing here is not normal. And I mean, check out this video. It just stops and hovers right there. That is crazy. Okay, well, anyways, the witness also states that he didn't really catch the crazy maneuvers on video, which is unfortunate, but in my opinion, I think some of these maneuvers are really crazy. I mean, we just saw it hover, and here later on the video, we see it shoot off real fast. I have to say, when you see it shoot off here in a second, it flies really fast, and commercially bought drones don't fly that fast. I looked it up. On average, your regular commercial drone will fly 50 to 70 miles per hour. And I don't know how many seconds this is, but it's less than a minute for sure. I got it somewhere. You can't really tell when to start counting because of it's behind the tree. But we're talking 20 seconds max. And this thing appears to be going a mile or more. So that equates, I don't know, what is 60 seconds is 1 mile and a car going 60 miles per hour. So we're talking 180 miles per hour or something like that, you know. That's not a commercially bought drone. And I know 90% of you all are thinking this is a drone. I mean, explain to me, how does this thing bright up and then go dim? And then explain to me how it just stopped and hover on a windy night. The witness says it's windy, and the wind isn't even pushing this thing around. I mean, how does it stop and hover if it's windy? I mean, drones don't do that. So why isn't the wind pushing it around? And not to mention, this thing took off more than a mile in a few seconds. That is way too fast for a commercially bought drone. So it leaves you two. I mean, there could be three. I mean, it could be like military drones, some, you know, crazy black budget project, but why would they be flying over Lake Charles? I mean, over a populated area. That makes absolutely no sense. So I'm going to rule out military. I mean, I can't 100% rule it out, but let's just say that if they're smart enough to build a drone like this, they're probably not going to be flying it over a populated area. That would be dumb. Okay, so it's not a commercial drone. Could it be ball lightning? Ball lightning was definitely a possibility until I saw this next case. Same night. This next case is in McHenry, Illinois. It occurred at 9:34 p.m. Okay, so we're talking hundreds of miles away, 1 hour apart. We got an identical looking object. And I mean, it's eerily identical, guys. So what we saw in Lake Charles, I believe to be the same object, and that we're seeing here in McHenry, Illinois. And it's crazy that it traveled that far in an hour. So what are we looking at here? I mean, it could be one of either two things: black budget government project, or aliens. Extraterrestrials. And as much as I want to tell you guys what it is, I can't. It's unidentifiable to me. I don't know what it is. But those are the two things that I'm left with. And I mean, I just thought it was really interesting case or cases. And I wanted to share this with you all. I thought it was fascinating. Really good footage. Might be the best footage of the year so far. Well, anyways, guys, this is Only the Truth, signing out. Have a good night.